With smart assistants taking over homes and businesses, Air Canada has become the latest company to try and take advantage of this growing trend with its Alexa Air Canada skill. So let's take a look at what exactly you could do with it. My name's Alex Radu, and welcome to Speak Up.
Welcome back to Air Canada. I can check your flight status, find your baggage carousel, or get a fare quote. How can I help?
To get started, first just find the Air Canada skill on the Amazon Alexa app, just like you would any other. Then just click Enable. It's really that simple. Once the skill is enabled, you can check your flight status, ask Alexa which bag carousel you need to go to, get quotes on flights you're looking to take, and ask questions around things like TSA PreCheck and Air Canada's refund policy. Let's take a look.
Air Canada 1037 for March 14th is on time and is scheduled to depart Toronto Lester B. Pearson International Airport at 8:10 a.m. from gate F63 and arrive in Denver International Airport at 9:49 a.m.
Travelers that want to check up on flight deals right now are typically using a Google search. By using the Amazon Alexa skill, Air Canada might be hoping to get even closer to its customer and create a branded experience that takes you away from a smartphone. And for business users, or even just any user in general, it's extremely convenient to be able to ask for a quote on your ticket. If you're looking to take a last-minute trip to visit a customer or a partner, and you're looking to quickly see how much that will cost you, Amazon Alexa can tell you how much Air Canada is charging for that flight.
I have 22 flights available from Toronto Lester B. Pearson International Airport to New York, all airports, for March 14, 2018, with fares starting at $233 Canadian dollars and 4 cents. Shop using the Air Canada mobile app or on aircanada.com.
Unfortunately, you'll still have to open the Air Canada app on your phone to book your ticket. But that's all for this week. Thank you for exploring the Air Canada app on Amazon Alexa with us. And be sure to stay tuned to Speak Up for more on all voice assistants. My name's Alex Radu. Thanks for watching.